Hey everyone! We've all been in that situation. A friend comes over and asks for your Wi-Fi password, but you completely forgot the password. Your phone is already connected, but when you go to share the network, it only shows you a QR code with no password in sight. Today, I'm going to show you a hidden trick to solve this problem in about 1 minute. Let's get started. First, on the phone that's already connected to the Wi-Fi, you need to find that QR code. Swipe down to open your control center and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Tap on your connected network or the little gear or eye icon next to it. You'll see an option that says Share or shows a QR code symbol. Tap that. Now, here's the most important step. When the QR code is on your screen, simply take a screenshot. Great! Now that the screenshot is saved to your phone, it's time for the magic part. Go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar at the top, look for the little camera icon. That's Google Lens, and it's our secret weapon. Tap on it. This will open up your camera, but we don't need to scan anything live. Instead, Google Lens lets you search using an image. Just select the screenshot of the QR code you just took from your photo gallery. And watch this. Almost instantly, Google Lens analyzes the image, and right there on your screen, it reveals the network name and, more importantly, the Wi-Fi password in plain text. You can even tap a button to copy it. And that's it. A super simple trick to find any saved Wi-Fi password using just a screenshot and Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, a thumbs up would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.